Hello, here I have Samsung Galaxy A9 and let me show you how to enable backup data by Google account on this device. In the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen and from main menu choose settings. Here you need to click on Accounts and Backup, choose Backup and Restore, and we have to switch on toggle button next to Backup My Data. Click on Backup Accounts, choose a right account from a list, click on it, click again at OK, and there you go, your data is backing up. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.